This is not financial advice, not legal advice, for entertainment, educational purposes only. And anything I say is my opinion. Please don't make any financial decision based on anything I say in these videos. Listen, I told you guys about accredited investors a while ago, but I wanted to talk about it again because of everything that I see going on with Ripple, okay? In my opinion, and this is just my opinion, I'm not telling you to invest in Ripple or not invest in Ripple. I'm not telling you buy XRP or don't buy XRP. What I'm telling you is this. These institutions, these regulators, they put these rules in place and they act like they put these rules in place to protect us. In my opinion, these rules are not in place to protect us. These rules are in place to keep us out the game. Because we all know, based on everything we've learned over the last 5 years, is that the rules don't matter to the 1%ers. They break the rules with no consequences every single day. But they put these rules in place for us. So if we break them, they can go after us hard or as a barrier to entry. Okay? As a barrier to entry. Ripple is a private company. And Ripple is doing crazy, crazy things. You see what's going on with the Ripple ledger. You see how that's going to go over to the stable coins when everything gets blockchain. You see they bought Hidden Road. You see what's going on with XRP. When Ripple has an IPO, and probably early 2026, who knows when, but it's coming. It's coming. We are going to be priced out of it. When I say we, I mean a majority of retail investors. And you know who's going to be already in it, making a killing off that IPO? All the 1%ers. And of course, the politicians. They all going to get into Ripple before they announce the IPO. And the thing is, they got this accredited investor nonsense, okay? And that, in my opinion, is nonsense. Where in order for you to get involved before the IPO of Ripple, you need to either make $200,000 a year, or if you're married, $300,000 a year. You have to have a net worth of $1 million, not including your primary residence. Okay? Or you can have your Series 65, your Series 7, or your Series 82 license. And two of those licenses require you to be attached to a broker in order to sit for those exams. The bottom line is this. This accredited investor certification is just a barrier to entry to make sure that we don't get in on the good deals before they get really, really good. Before Facebook went public, before Google went public, before Amazon went public, before Yahoo went public, and now before Ripple goes public. And in my opinion, the easiest way to be able to get into these plays as an accredited investor before Ripple goes public, before Ripple's IPO, is to get your Series 65 license. You don't need to be sponsored by any brokerage. You don't need to do any of that. All you need to do is study and then sit for the exam and pass it. And you guys know I took it. I had failed it, but I wasn't really taking it that seriously because I had other things going on. But I think over the next couple of weeks, I'm going to go in hard, study hard for the Series 65, and I'm going to take the exam again probably in May. And this time I will pass it because I'm going to take it more seriously. And not just for the fact of having a license, for the fact that with the Series 65, you can get into these these plays before they go public. And when they go public is when a lot of these guys make a majority of their money. But they put these barriers in place to make sure a majority of retail investors don't get into place before they go parabolic. Can you imagine if you were a accredited investor and got into Facebook before it went public? The bottom line is this. These rules, in my opinion, are not here to protect us. The accredited investor rules are a way to keep us out the place until the big dogs make a majority of the money. Anyway, please leave some comments. Tell me what you think. Do you think the accredited investor rule is to protect us or to make sure we stay out the play until they get rich? Anyway, have a great day. God bless, and I appreciate y'all on this journey with me.